Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of Forex BD. Today I will talk to you about a live entry. You can see I have an entry running on USDJPY pair and you can see it's now profit. The profit here is around $1,300. Well, you can see my lot size. My lot size was 2.00. That means $2 and my SL was just like 11 pips. So today I will show you why I take this entry and how I did the analysis. So please watch the video till the end. In this video you will be able to know completely about an entry, and those who want to see such analysis or video, please follow this playlist of Forex BD. Here you will find all types of analysis or strategy, and I will request the well-wisher of Forex BD, please subscribe Forex BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you, and those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. Now I'm in H4 time frame and now I will go to 1 day time frame. Here you can see that the market is in downtrend. If you notice here, you can understand that the market is in downtrend. Now we will go back to H4 time frame. Here you can see the market used to have a support level where the market is hampered. So you can see in this point the market make a correction once in this place and then market make correction again in the same place. After getting obstructed, market breaks out this point here and give an impulse movement here. Then correction this place, you will notice that there is a correction here, then market retest again. So notice here retest at the support level at which the market break out. I took the entry in a short time frame. I show you why I should have take this entry, because the market touched the support level twice. It's the number 1 and it's the number 2, and third time the market break out the support level. It was impulse movement and then impulse correction after impulse move, and the correction was similar to the bearish flag pattern. And another thing is that what was previously a support level has now become a resistance level, and this is where the market retest. Then I go to 1 hour time frame because I will trade in short time frame. So that way I took the entry is that here the market goes up, then gets obstructed and goes down again, then the market goes up again, that is it's make a bullish candle here and then close in this place. Then I went to a short time frame for the better analysis, and I went to 15-minute time frame. And many are regularly asking the Forex BD official team how to get Forex signal. The Forex BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal. Understood? Then join. Hopefully all Forex traders have already understood the importance of Forex BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. Since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. Forex BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, Forex BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. So after going to a 15-minute time frame, I saw this place has created a support level. Here the impulse correction in the market, then the market comes down straight from here. So what did I do? I took a sell entry just when the market break out in this place. The reason for taking this entry is that since there is an impulse correction here, it will break in a strong way, and after I made an entry in this place, I give SL on this high, because even if the market back to my SL, having a back point here will make my SL less likely to hit, and even if it hit, my SL will be less, which is only 11 pips. So if the market hit my SL, my loss will less. But since I took an entry, the market has gone straight down on its own, which you can see with your own eyes. And currently there are about 67 pips running and my TP is given at this level. So I show the level a little clear. Here is my TP and here is the previous support level. And if the market can get in the way, then I hope my TP will hit. Now I have taken about 84 pips profit from this entry, which means I also taken 1:8 profit ratio. This means that my risk ratio is 1:8. So my one profit has the power to recover 8 loss. Lastly, I will say one thing, that do proper analysis and be patient, then your one profit will recover your previous 2, 3 or 5 loss. Hopefully in today's video you have clearly understand why we always talk about perfect analysis like this, and we always talk about patience, because there will be nothing but loss if you don't be patient. And if you do a perfect analysis and trade away from your greed, then even if you made a loss, then your one profit can recover your all loss. So viewers, I hope you can understand our today's analysis. Hopefully you can do perfect analysis from now. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is FOREX, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by Forex BD's link, you will get benefit. Forex BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by Forex BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by Forex BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. Forex BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye. Tata.